Welcome back to Brick Language and our new short series, Play, Build, Talk. This is our final video on spatial awareness. Throughout this series, we've explored a lot of different ways to use Lego to help build spatial awareness skills, like matching your model to the picture in the instruction booklet, or using the Lego 3D Builder app. We've talked about practicing with movement words before you build your Lego, and letting your child watch you put a piece in, and then allowing them an opportunity to do it themselves. Our last and final tip is probably going to be our most difficult, especially for parents. Let's give our child a chance to figure out how a piece goes before you step in. Allow them to give it a try. Now, this can be very difficult, especially if we have children who get frustrated very easy. And it's difficult to watch our children get frustrated. But frustration brings learning, and learning is in frustration. It builds perseverance, it builds resilience, it builds problem solving, and encourages them to learn on their own. All of these things help build language skills and spatial awareness. Only by trying to put a piece in wrong do we figure out how to put it in right. Yes, it's much quicker if someone shows us, and you'll know when your level or their level of frustration is too high and you need to step in. Just remember, when you step in, always give them an opportunity to try it behind you so that they can experience what it's like to put it in on their own. And remember, our other great spatial awareness games are building a blanket fort, playing I Spy and Simon Says, and buying and playing marbles. All of those links I will have below so that you can find instructions on how to do each. If you want to see any of our previous videos, they're all very short and all have links to different directions. Just go right here. If you've enjoyed this series, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you soon. Bye.